Hello everyone, this is Megha and you're watching English Simplified. With the circumstances caused due to COVID-19, things have become stagnated and unpredictable. This is a testing time for the job seekers. One should always be prepared for opportunities that can come in way.
In 2020, companies are resorting to virtual recruitment process. One must know how to present oneself in video interviews. Here are 9 points that you may keep in mind before attempting your virtual interview, and you may definitely be able to crack the interview.
First thing that needs to be kept in mind is to check the technology that is available with you, the internet speed, the charging device, and check for proper lighting. If possible, invest in a good external webcam and external microphone.
In case the lighting is not proper, you may switch on the light of your phone and keep it like this. You may use table lamps as well.
The second point that needs to be kept in mind is to read the instruction carefully provided by the interviewer or the company. The third thing is to eliminate distraction, maybe visual or audio. Might ruin your first impression, and as they say, first impression is the last impression. So make sure there's no distraction around you or behind you. The distractions may be loud noises, people in the background, or messy backdrop. Now, how to dress up for a virtual interview? Dress as you would for an in-person interview. Professional clothing would mean you are serious about the position. A light or solid colored long sleeve shirt is always a good idea for an interview. Choose a dark colored trouser, preferably black, grey or blue color. Female candidates may either opt for shirts, trousers or a skirt, and who aren't comfortable may go for traditional Indian suit in light or solid color. Now, eye contact, which is the most important thing in a virtual interview as well. You must always try and maintain eye contact with the interviewer. In case of virtual interview, look at the camera and not the screen. It builds trust, shows that you are confident and poised. Body language is as important as the words that you speak. So sit up straight, do not slouch, smile, and keep the camera at eye level. Please practice, do not memorize your answers. Being clear and concise is one of the most important things in a job interview. Do not sound robotic. You can mention some key points and stick notes around the camera, which you can look from time to time. Avoid fillers like, It's always a good idea to run through a few practice rounds with a friend, family member, or even online. If you want to attend mock interviews online, you can visit the website goprac.com and attend one-to-one mock interviews and receive feedback from industry professionals. And you should always be ready to answer questions like, tell me something about yourself. I have already made a video on this question, which is really important, and it is asked in almost 80% of the job interviews. I will link it in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check it. The other questions that you might be asked are, why are you interested in this role? What do you know about our company? What are your weaknesses? What is your biggest achievement? Why are you leaving your current position? How did you utilize your lockdown period? Based on the current scenario, this question may be asked. This is really important. So make sure you prepare and practice well in advance. And the interviewer might also ask you to tell about some questions that you may have for the company. So they may ask you, do you have any questions for me? You may say or you may ask, what are the company goals this quarter? Or can you please walk me through the next steps of the hiring process? And what does a typical day in life of this role looks like? Or what are the other groups I would be working with?
Please keep these points in mind, and I'm sure you will be able to crack the next job interview. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and in the next slide you would find some words that might help you in improving your vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching.